Wow, this much big it is. You're going to see the unboxing as well as the full review of this Godox Softbox, which is ideal for almost all the photographers and videographers. So let's start with the unboxing first, and review section I'll share the pros and cons of this one. So let's start now. I really like this bag in the box. You can actually travel it wherever you want with the help of this one. Inside the box, you will get this diffuser and this one. That's all. Currently, I'm using the Digitech Softbox, which is like 70 or 80 centimeters. Let's open this diffuser. This diffuser helps to soften the light. This much white it is. Now I'm going to change these things. For me, it takes some minutes of time, but for you, it's... So this is how the light quality looks like. Currently, you are seeing the light coming from the Godox Softbox. When it comes to the review of this softbox, there are some good things and some bad things are there. Coming to the good things, it is a softbox. It softens the light. If in case you are shooting your videos in indoor conditions and struggling a lot to get the nice videos, this softbox is really helpful for you. I know most of the content creators are using these softboxes, and if you see some of the budget people like me especially, we use the bulbs as a lights for the videos. Currently now also I'm using a Siska lamp, which is a 60 watts light, and you are seeing my entire videos up to like past 1 year with this lighting setup only. This is the first good thing. It softens the light. Coming to the second thing is compactable. It is a umbrella softbox where you can actually fold and travel it anywhere you like. And also in the box you will get this bag. You can carry it anywhere you like. These are the two things I noticed good in this one. Apart from this, there are no good things at all. When it comes to the bad things, number one is its size. If in case you are shooting your videos in a tight room or tiny room, then you must be really careful while ordering this softbox. This softbox size is 80 centimeters. If in case you are shooting your videos in tiny room, then this box is not ideal for most of the cases because it occupies so much of space. Coming to the second thing is this softbox is only compatible for some of the lights. For example, if you take the premium series of the Godox, like the Godox SL60 watt, and some more lights are also there. This is a basic and entry level light which is having studio standards. But those lights, softbox are different. Like that, for some lights, some softboxes are needed. This softbox is actually useful for the lights which are running with LED lights. So that's the bad things I noticed it in this one, guys. So as usual, one last question is whether I recommend you to buy this softbox or not for your videos. Also, I forgot to show this. This is a grid where you can actually use this grid to do not spill the light. For example, if you see in this shot, you can see here sides and this sides. So much of light is spilling from the front side. If I use this one, it won't spill. But the main drawback here is this bulb is not customizable, which means I cannot increase or decrease the intensity of the light. So if you are planning to buy this, yes, you can please go ahead and buy. And before that, please make sure you check alternative brands also, because some alternative brands like the Digitech and some different brands are there in softbox category. Those are also pretty good. Every softbox looks like same and performs almost equal. The only change you notice is the lights. That's the today video, guys. If you want to check the price, I given the Amazon link in the description box. Feel free to check. If in case you missed the Digitech Softbox unboxing and review, here is the video for you. Just check it out and compare by your own only, which is best for you. See you again in the next video. Until then, keep supporting and keep smiling.